Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to save your game progress in Marvel Spider-Man Remastered. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the game on the desktop shortcut and select open file location, and again right click and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and check out this run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. And this will fix the game not saving problem. And now launch the game. Now I'll show you guys how to save your game. Just press the escape key and select the manual save option and select the new save and it will be saved guys. Now I'll show you guys how to open the saved game. You just need to quit the game and go to load game option and you can able to see manual and auto. This will automatically save your game. This is where we saved manually. Click on the manual save and select continue option. And this will open up the game where you saved guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.